In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a file description in Google Drive. A file description is a short note you attach to a file to clarify what it is, what version it represents, or anything important you want people with access to know. It's especially helpful when file names can't capture all the context, or when you want teammates to quickly grasp what's inside without opening the file. First, log into Google Drive using your usual account. Once you're in, go to the folder that contains the file you want to describe. Keeping your files organized makes this step easy, so if you have a lot of content, try using the search bar or sorting by name or last modified to locate the right file quickly. When you've found the file, right-click on it to open the context menu. From there, move to File Information, then click on Details. This opens a panel on the right side of your screen that shows information about the file, like the owner, location, size, and activity. In that right side panel, scroll down until you find the Description section. It may be below other details, so keep scrolling until you see a box labeled Description. Click directly inside that box to start typing. Use this space to add meaningful context, like a brief summary of the contents, important dates, version notes, or key terms that will help you or collaborators find the file later. Plain, clear language is best. If the file is part of a project, consider noting the project name or the purpose of the file to make it easier to identify in the future. When you're finished typing, click anywhere outside the description box to save. There's no separate save button here. Clicking away confirms your changes. If you want to double check, glance back at the description area and you'll see your text remain in place. You can come back and edit this description at any time by repeating the same steps, which is great when your files evolve or when you need to add a quick update. A few quick tips as you write. Keep your description concise but informative, avoid sensitive information, and include keywords that you or your team might search for. Remember, the description doesn't change the file's name or contents. It's simply metadata that helps with clarity and organization. That's all it takes to add a file description in Google Drive. Log in, locate your file, right-click to open File Information, select Details, scroll to the description box, type your notes, and click outside to save. This small habit can make a big difference in keeping your drive tidy and your team aligned.